how to set the slow-mo video to record in Ultra HD or Full HD with 240 or 120 FPS. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to tap on the More button or simply swipe across. And then tap on slow-mo. After that, once you're in slow-mo, tap on the quick controls button. From here, you can change your video size to Ultra HD or Full HD or Full High Definition. Here you can also change the frame rate to 240. At 240 FPS, it is slowed down to 1/8 of a speed, slow motion. 120, if you select 120, it will set to a quarter speed slow motion. Okay, so you can also change that up here as well. From the top, you can also tap on that button, video size, and from here you can choose UHD or FHD. For FPS, you can choose 240 or 120. And that's it. Once you have set the required settings, you can now start to record a slow-mo video. And that's it. So that is the slow-mo video right there. After that, once you have already recorded, you can also tap on the edit button to make the changes. So here we can change the speed of the video. So I can change the speed to 1/8. And I can change where the slow-mo will occur. So I can set the slow-mo for full video or just part of the videos. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the save button. Now, while we're here, you can also apply filters to your slow-mo video. So here I can apply a filter. I can add stickers to the slow-mo video. And then tap on save. Then tap on saved. And that's it. Now, saving the video can take some time if you have a very long slow-mo video. And here is the export failed, so we might need to re-edit the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.